When you dream of home, what do you see? Is it the place you come from? Or a place yet to be discovered? Introducing Skyline, a place to let yourself be free, where experiencing the moments is just as important as recording them. A place to connect with the people and things that matter most. And celebration matters just as much as quiet time. Where luxury is a sense of freedom, of play, possibility. And at the center of it all, home. What if the life you're dreaming of is now within reach? Skyline. Welcome to Life Wide Open.